clutch up here on the top left, and down here we have the YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back, man. Hey, and this is special delivery for my guys who trying to learn how to ride a two-stroke dirt bike this summer. I got the infamous, one of the baddest two-strokes on the planet. That's right, man. The YZ125, man. Check it out. So today, we about to teach you how to get on this, start it up, learn your braking, learn how to stop, and stay in that power band, because that's what all the fun is. You did? But anyway, you're about to learn how to ride this two-stroke today with your boy, YZ125, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, first thing when it comes to riding this two-stroke, you got to do braking. That's the first thing. Up here, you got your front brake. Pretty simple. Down here, you got your back brake. You're only using an 80-20% ratio. That means 80% on that back and about 20 on that front. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going past that. Now, on your left side of your bike, you will have your gear control. So we have a clutch up here on the top left, and down here, we have the shifter. That's gonna be your shifter to get you all the way through your gears, to get you progressing and rolling. You understand? Next thing you wanna keep in mind, you got a petcock, which controls your gas actually flowing into your carburetor. So when you're ready to ride, you must always make sure you turn it on and get it flowing. As you see, my flow blows clear, so we can actually see my gas in there ready to go. Now back to the right side of the bike. You will notice that a two-stroke, unless it's a newer model, they usually coming in kickstart standard, ready to go. What that means is there's no key to start it, there's no ignition. This is your ignition right here. So you have to get a little leg work in, and yeah, we're kicking this bike to get it to go. Another thing to point out, this is how you know that you're on a two-stroke. As you notice, this pipe is a big round bent structure that you see on the front of it. That's the exhaust port. So that's the pingy pong ping sound that you're used to hearing in the two-stroke. Let's get you into the process of understanding how to kick and start the bike up now. Okay, next step, like I said, we have a kickstarter on this two-stroke, so we're gonna pull that out, and you shouldn't need no gas. Choke is up, and we're gonna give it a kicker. Nice little, put some force into it. You wanna, find it dead top center. Get it lined up. If you don't know what that means get the piston at the top. But anyway, we wanna get a good solid kick on it. Remember, here we are, shifter. So when we start this bike up, we're gonna kick it right, and we're gonna go down, like so, into first gear, holding the clutch. Then as we start rolling, we're gonna give it gas, and slowly, yeah, till it bites. When you feel it bite, that's when you a little more gas to make it come all the way out. To start it up, drop it in the first gear, use our clutch, and let's get off and shift down to first, then go up to second, up to third, up to fourth. I'm gonna pull this starter out, and we're going to yes, sir, make it come alive. We want to go first, clutch in, and we're gonna take that shifter down, first gear. And from there, we're gonna slowly let off. Feel that? Little bit of gas, and the bike will start pulling, as you see. So, let off, gas, and the bike will start pulling, as you see. The more you let it out, the more it will go. At the same time, you need to be giving more gas over here. See how we doing? Now we all the way out. No clutch. The clutch is wide open. We're just depending now on throttle and brake. So as you can see,
We're gonna roll up this hill slowly. Squeeze my gear in. Squeeze my clutch in. Down there. Shift up. And let out again. Come to a slow, you want to squeeze in, back brake. Squeeze in, back brake, little bit of forward. In the process of that, you want to shift down. Shift down when you're slowing down. Get it? So as we pull back up, right up, going up. Squeeze the clutch, shift up. Ride it, squeeze the clutch, shift up. Ride it. Clutch, shift up, and you will hear the bike start to have a more and more deeper pull. Now I'm slowing down, I'm gearing all the way down. As you can see, it's so easy a 10-year-old can do it. So let's come up on a dead start. Tighten up my suspension, it's too bouncy in the back. Man, it's not really that much to it. Throttle, clutch, brake. You wanna run it? You wanna run it. I had to get one in with the boys. I'm riding a little advanced for you right quick. The boys love the race, so you know, you gotta give it to them one time. Hey, not too hard, man. Front brake. Throttle, back brake, clutch, gear shifter. That's really it, man. Yeah, this is a little more advanced. Going through the gears. What the fuck? Oh man, I'm getting some backfire and shit going on, man. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna be a wrap on how to ride a two-stroke dirt bike. Like I said, it's not no hard concept. For the first time, it could be a little challenging for you, a little, you know, intimidating, but it ain't really much to it, man. As long as you understand braking, how to stay in that power band to enjoy that ride, you good, man. Shifting your gears, going faster, wheelies, jumping, all that stuff is gonna come in the time of you learning and, you know, gradually getting better over time. But right now, you're just trying to learn how to ride it. So first thing first, before you get on that bike and try to ride, get some type of helmet. I don't care if it's a bike helmet, but get you some of this, because once you hit that skull, hey. But yeah, man, maybe some boots, preferably some gloves, just in case you go down, man. You don't want to scratch your hands up, you don't want to rip your ankle in half, definitely want to bust your noggin. So yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. I definitely appreciate everybody, man. Thank you. If you stay tuned this far, you the real one, you the GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, like, content, and remember, man, keep pushing, dog. Don't stop, man. It's gonna get better. Everything progresses to the best as long as you keep on going to it, keep on chasing it, keep on going at it. Yeah. So, man, like I said, YZ, baby, and I'm out. As y'all just heard, my bike doing some crazy type of, I don't know what that sound was. So, yeah, it's boggy. We was good, but, yeah, man. So, anyway, I'm about to hit this garage, figure out what's going on with that. Catch y'all on the next one, man. Gone.